What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Alfred Romero, and today I thought I'd take you guys on a little apartment tour. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath in North Park, or San Diego, California. And I just wanted to do a lot of documenting. I didn't get to do that with our last apartment, and I do regret it a little bit. And not only that, just to share with you guys what you can expect price range, amenities, and stuff like that if you are looking in the San Diego location. We're actually in our last month of our lease here, and so we're moving. We actually already signed the lease for our new apartment, so everything here is gonna be getting shifted around, packed up, and moved into boxes. So I wanted to make sure, again, that I documented it right before we pack it all up. With that being said though, if you do enjoy content like this, drop a like on the video just to help me out, and consider subscribing if you are new here. But nonetheless though, let's jump right into this. All right, so first we'll go outside. I guess it's a good place to start as any. And we'll start off with the balcony. This is an extension really of our living room. As you can kind of see here, we have these terracotta, I think it's like, no, it's not terracotta, it's terracotta. Okay, terracotta. We actually never even got the third one in. It was supposed to come and we actually just ended up using this for a spot to put Amazon deliveries and stuff like that. Fake plants, but I think it looks super cool. Again, we also just have like these cement bricks down here. They ended up getting messed up really easily. And then we have our outside furniture here. Really nice, I actually enjoy it. Me and Abe spend a lot of time out here. And then the lovely eggshell chair, one of my favorite pieces, of course. And again, some more fake plants. They always get knocked over just because it's so windy here. We are on the 4th floor here. I think there's 21 units in this building, and it just kind of overlooks North Park. And yeah, you got downtown and Balboa Park over here to the left. And then everything beyond this is just west going towards the beach. But let's open this door and then we could go inside. So yeah, basically we have this beautiful garage door and it just kind of opens up the living room to make it a little bit more spacious. And this is the couch. I don't know too much about furniture, so I guess it is a seat and a half for every single section. We do actually like that. We have the TV, 65 inches mounted on the wall. We do have like a little fake plant here. I guess it's kind of cool. We never really thought this place out too much. We kind of just like moved into it pretty abruptly and then figured it out as we went. This is pretty much where we spend a lot of our time. We obviously don't have a dining room table, as you can see here. We just kind of post up here on the couch and then eat here at this little coffee table area. It's very spacious. The ceilings go all the way up. I'm not quite sure how tall they are, but it does reflect in the AC bill and the heating bill. So let me just go ahead and close this just so we can hear a little bit better. Again, we have the shutter here just so when it does get too bright in here, we can close it off. This is the kitchen. We have the refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, and stove. Fairly brand new appliances. We are the second people, I think, to live in these units. It's a fairly new building here in San Diego. It has a lot of storage. I mean, there's really not much to show you. Plates, containers, glasses. This is enough counter space for when we cook dinner and everything. So I guess it works exactly for what it needs to, for its purpose, especially for how long we're here. Coming this way, we have a staircase leading up to the master bedroom. We do have our roommate's bedroom, but I'm not gonna show you guys. It basically has a walk-in closet and still cement floors like this. And then it has a window just like this one in the kitchen. But we do like this just because it has the bedrooms on complete opposite sides of the unit. So that way we're not just like on top of each other. So then if you've seen in my other videos, we usually have like some type of chess set here that we play chess at. We haven't used it recently. We've actually put it away just because people sometimes come over and end up knocking it over. I feel like this space could be utilized better. A lot of people that I've seen in other units have put dining room tables actually in this area, like a circle one, obviously, because they have like 4 people. We only have 3 people living in this unit, including me and Avery. This is our guest bathroom, otherwise known as our roommate's bathroom. Pretty simple. Basically, this is where the indoor washer and dryer is at inside here. That was one of the main things that Avery and I were looking for when we got a place, is indoor washer and dryer. It's actually a little bit rarer than you think to get in San Diego. The storage is really well too. A lot of the places in San Diego normally don't have like under the sink storage for some reasons. I don't know why, but luckily this place did. So basically we're on the entrance of right before the master bedroom, and this is kind of where I keep all my camera gear. We utilize this space as like a little dresser place the best we could. We have just like memorabilia stuff here, obviously. Avery and I's first photo ever taken. We have Avery's graduation cap, and then we have my graduation cap. It has these two windows that has a lot of airflow coming through, and then we come on into the master bedroom. This is the studio. This is where I shoot and edit all of my videos, actually, and you've seen it in other videos. It's obviously my biggest video on YouTube. The only other spot where I could have kept this little setup is maybe underneath the staircase downstairs. It doesn't look that good in the living room. And Avery lets me utilize this extra space we have in our bedroom here. We have a 32-inch TV mounted on the wall right here. It's a very awkward space. If you swing around here, you can kind of see it has this window right here that we actually do like very well. Just kind of overlooks the, I guess, living room over there. This is a king size bed, so in reference for you guys, just to kind of see like the space of the room. This is a fairly large bed. And then we have our closets. It's not that big. Like I said, downstairs there is a walk-in closet for the downstairs room. That is not the case for this room. Then finally, as we walk into here, this is the master bathroom. Simple, it just has storage underneath the sink, and then it has a window looking towards the east side of San Diego. And also what was really important for me is a shower head that is tall enough for myself. That's extremely important for every time we look for an apartment. Now let's, I guess, head downstairs just so I can show you guys like the parking situation and the mailbox. And basically these are the other units. Our neighbor has a dog. And then we have our elevator here. There's only 4 floors to this place. As you can kind of see, if you look towards this way, this is the 4th floor. The first floor is the parking. We only get 1 spot here, and then the rest is street parking. That's kind of the downside about this place. But our 1 parking spot is, dude, these birds are crazy out here. Our 1 parking spot is this spot, obviously right here. We get the first spot, pretty lucky. There's 21 units, so 21 parking spots. Let's head out before we get attacked by these birds. I think these are like people's storage, but this is what our storage looks like. I forgot to show you guys, but whatever. And then we have our mailboxes. Mailbox 405. Yeah, it's a gated community, so you don't have to worry about it. And it has a code, so that way nobody can just come in here. Yeah, not a lot going on out here, but I just wanted to make sure I showed you guys the parking. Let's wrap this thing up, I guess. Guys, thank you for coming on this apartment tour with me. Again, this is our last month here, so I'll be taking you guys on the transition to our new apartment, new desk setup, and new apartment tour. If you do like this type of content, definitely scroll down and give a like on the video and consider subscribing if you're new here. Guys, my name is Alfred Amaro, and I'll be seeing you guys next week. Peace.